Consistency is easy to maintain when you're generating a single image, but as output scales, something subtle begins to break. It's not always obvious at first. A shift in facial structure, a change in proportion, lighting that no longer behaves the same way. Over time, these inconsistencies compound, and the cost shows up in production, brand trust, and rework. When we looked closely at why this keeps happening, the issue wasn't prompt quality. It was that identity and constraints were never governed. So instead of refining prompts endlessly, we built a system. The system starts by locking a canonical identity, one model, one geometry, one baseline. From there, constraints are enforced deliberately. What can change and what cannot is defined up front. This allows images to be generated one at a time, while still behaving as part of a coherent whole. This isn't designed for exploratory prompting or visual experimentation. It's built for teams that need consistency across campaigns, seasons, and platforms. The result isn't visual novelty. It's repeatability, predictability, control. A practical system for producing images that stay consistent because the structure behind them is.